Welcome to Spyder Auto Headlight with LED Light Bar Installation Guide for the 2005 to 2008 Porsche 987 Cayman and Boxster. Here are tools needed to prepare for the installation: Phillips screwdriver, plier, 4 Scott clock quick splices. Check out how the Spyder Auto Headlight with LED Light Bar changes the look of your vehicle. Locate and pull the hood release switch. Open the hood and let's begin. Open the factory tool storage compartment. Locate and take out the factory toolbox. Open the factory toolbox. Take out the factory hex tool. Remove the plastic inner fender liner holder. Peel down the inner fender liner. Remove rubber liner bumper. Insert factory hex tool. Turn and release the factory headlight assembly. Slide out the factory headlight assembly. Remove 4 Phillips screws. Release 3 clips holding the factory headlight back cover. Remove the factory headlight back cover. Unplug the factory headlight bulb socket. Release the headlight bulb holder clip. Remove factory headlight bulb. Locate the Spyder headlight assembly. Uninstall 5 Phillips screws on the Spyder headlight back cover. Remove the Spyder headlight back cover. Release the headlight bulb holder clip. Insert the factory headlight bulb. Put the headlight bulb holder in place. Connect Spyder headlight socket to the bulb. Close the Spyder headlight back cover. Reinstall 5 Phillips screws holding the headlight back cover. Remove the side marker release hole rubber cover. Insert Phillips screwdriver and push the side marker light out. Reinstall the side marker release hole rubber cover. Locate the LED light bar extension wires. Insert and feed the wires into the inner fender opening. For connecting the LED light bar, please refer to Spyder FAQ How to Wire LED Accessories video on YouTube. Connect LED light bar extension wire to Spyder headlight assembly. Slide in the Spyder headlight assembly. Turn the hex tool to lock headlight in place. Reinstall inner fender liner bumper. Put the inner fender liner back. Put the hex tool back to the factory toolbox. Close the toolbox. Put the factory toolbox back. Close the factory tools compartment. Reinstall the side marker light. Repeat same steps for the other side. Close the hood and the installation completed. Congratulations, you have just installed your Spyder Auto Headlight with LED light bar for your 2005 to 2008 Porsche 987 Cayman and Boxster. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light functions before take your vehicle back on the road. Thank you for choosing Spyder Auto Installation Video to assist you. For more products and information, please visit www.spyderauto.com.